So before you watch this video, I want you to give a thumbs down because I'm a high school student and I don't know anything. First, I'm going to start off as to explain why we have complex numbers, okay? So this is why we have complex numbers. Okay, so let's take an equation like x squared equals 1. Now, if we try to find the solutions of x, we all know that x squared equals 1, the solutions would be either 1 or minus 1. Now, if we tried x squared equals minus 1, well, you can't really do it then, can you? Now, we could stop there and be lazy, or we could get creative and create some sort of number that would satisfy it. And that's why we have I. So what I is equal is to the square root of negative 1. Therefore, I squared is equals negative 1. And so, that's why we have complex numbers. No, that's not the only reason. There are other reasons. So, complex numbers are used in electrical engineering. I don't know why. And also, a complex number has a real part and an imaginary part. So, if you were to graph this on the complex plane, oh shit. If you were to graph this on the complex plane, you could plot on a two-dimensional plane a single number. Now, how is that even possible? I mean, it's a number. How can you, with a number, you have information enough to graph something on a 2D plane? So, that's why complex numbers are pretty cool. And not only can you, if you can graph a complex number on a plane, then you can also graph its vector. Now, its vector is, you could just say, if a complex number like 1 plus I, and you graph it, that's 1, 1 there, and if you have 1, 1 there, and that's the origin right here, then that vector would be from the origin to that complex number. So, you can actually have a line, you can produce a line with just a number, and that is pretty damn cool, isn't it? Ugh, this is something you learn in 4 unit. Normally the first topic that comes up. What else? What else is there, Callum? Why do we have complex numbers? In this video. Oh shit! Why do we have complex numbers? Why? Why do we have complex numbers? All I know is it's used in electrical and engineering, used a lot. And you can have locuses of complex. Okay, this is getting out of hand.